Hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday, November 8th, guys. And look, the sky is dark because Typhoon 1 is coming. Keep safe, everyone. Hopefully the typhoon is not strong. But I think hit in northern Luzon, guys. 2 days the weather is nice, sunny, but 2 days look like dark. Pa-refill ako ng tubig, guys. Dumaan ko ng grocery. Bumili ng 8. Ito yung water station, guys. Dito lang sa condo yan. Water station. And then the other side, over there, grocery. Right there have storage on also. And the laundry right here. 210 per load, 6 kilos. Wala pa yung ano doon. Water station. Laundry right there. Over here. Yeah, the store. In the condo. Over there. Ito yung storage area, guys. Nag-inquire ako doon sa office. Sabi niya pwede mag-iwan ng luggage dito. But 50 pesos per day. One luggage. So, pwede. Okay na din siya. And then the store over there. At least mayroon siya, guys. Ikok moringa to dito. I think we need to buy fried fish downstairs, guys. Moringa soup. Oh, that's a lot nito. I think marami siya, guys. Kalahati lang siguro dito. Ilagay ko yung isa ko. Pero hawanan ko na. This is 26 pesos. Then we need to like this. That's a lot. I think half only that thing. Like moringa. At least have soup, vegetable soup. So, moringa soup siya.
United States. You got Teddy Roosevelt up there, and he's wonderful. I would say take him down, but Biden.
48 square mile restroom, a city with an app that tracks
Wait,
students' street food. I'm surprised Nancy didn't invest in
That's
hazmat
one big
suits.
stigo.
So here's the question: what happens to her stock prowess?
Let's eat them. Sarap higit sa bagay. Gulay.
She would have never made it in politics. She would have never reached the pinnacle of power if she wasn't good looking when she was younger. There's a photo of her with John F. Kennedy in 1961.
Sometimes it's happy.
Beautiful dress on, snatched lace, bangs, gloves of
Good morning everyone. Kapat 7 AM kay. Update tayo guys sa Typhoon Uwan kay. Today is Sunday morning. November 9. Let's see outside. Look outside kayo. Kuya still cleaning the swimming pool. Habrin little bit lang guys. Habrin guys. Parang ambon lang siya. Very calm, but the over there is so dark. Little bit lang naman ang rain kayo. Look. Update tayo guys, Cavite, Sunday guys. Today is Sunday, November 9. 2 PM guys, 2 PM. The rain is stopped. The rain here is off and on. Swimming pool right there. Update tayo sa typhoon guys. Typhoon Uwan. Ano ngayon guys? 6 PM. Look at that guy. Still more people traveling. Huh? Still more people traveling. Ito ngayon ang situation sa Cavite guys. 6 PM Sunday, November 9. Look the swimming pool downstairs. The other condo right there. Keep safe everyone. Mag-ingat po ang lahat. Good evening everyone. 6 PM today. Sunday. 6 PM. Keep safe everyone doon. Kasi have typhoon Uwan, typhoon. Yeah, there's not too much strong here in Cavite guys. Sir, rainy. And a little bit windy outside. Live still have power, they still have internet. I think we need to finish up this. This is the last one. Gusto ng asawa kumain ng titos. This is the last one.
This one's 43,454. Yes. Phone number on. And we got a 55 Bel Air convertible here, 68.5. So we got information. Nicely done up there. Continental kit on the back. And we've got a GTR here. Looks like somebody started doing the vinyl top or gave up when they got to the back.
Within 2 months. 2 months half. This is the last.
Over here. 1970, price is $89.5 on that. It's a sleeper sports movie. 428.
Yeah.
You'll get all of them now. And we've got 69 Cougar, these are all the same. Max do the same one. You know, hold that number if you want. This one's a 350.
This is the end.
That one's
That is the last of the chairs.
369.
Ah,
And it's 75.
yeah. We need to make hot choco. Make hot choco. Hot choco. Also over there, guys. Hopefully tomorrow that will start with the summer. Let's drink guys. Hot tea ito guys. 6 PM na guys. Keep safe everyone. Ito some area guys is ano, the wind and the rain is strong. Some area. Blood here in Cavite na too much dahil. Ito yung guys. This one is very nice. If you're inside the condo guys, you cannot hear. The good thing is no. Ang bango ng mga niluluto nila guys. Seven o'clock na guys. Hi guys, good morning. Good morning everyone, and how are you guys all over the Philippines? Hopefully everybody is fine. And thankfully guys, the Typhoon O1 is, I think, done na guys, but still, look, still ano, still dark guys in the sky. Maybe rain off and on, but so far 7 a.m. guys, Monday morning 7 a.m. November 10. No more rain na guys, look. And little bit of windy. Last night lang guys, around 6 to 8 p.m. The windy look like strong under rain, but only 2 hours and then slow down. And now, look. And thank God guys, because the power is not interrupt, even the internet here in the condo still have. And that's the update for today guys. Rainy guys, 9 o'clock Monday, 9 a.m. It's rainy. Ganyan lang naman gayon. Monday guys, rainy. Pero mayroong mga biyahe doon. Pero mustap naman to guys. Stop. Meron akong kagayta yun. Surrounding with maganda yung ano guys. Look. Over there. Right there still still building another condo. Apat na unit pala to. 4 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 unit guys. Maganda yung ano guys. Look. Ayala Mall over downstairs. Latwag Mall over here. And look. Tour tayo guys. Ito yung condo. Hub chair. 4-seater. And that is the Wi-Fi right there. My husband done already put the Wi-Fi to our gadget. Oh. Of course, rice is like hub. And this one for coffee. And have ano, toasted bread. And this is the ano guys. Nice. And over here. Okay. That all. Glass. Oh, glad. The mug is big. Yeah, bigger mug. Then close. In the other side. Ah, so close pala yan. Nice. The other side. What is that? Huh? Oh. Over tissue. This is microwave. Have microwave right here. I think microwave. Okay. And two door. One door. Oh, nothing inside. We stay here only 5 days. Very clean. And the bathroom right here. I told you in the bathroom, guys. Very nice. I like the flower. The plastic shoe. That's very cool. Ah, very nice. Look at that. And that one right there. Close ng chocolate. I like that different. And then we need to go to bedroom. 1 bedroom siya guys. Big din ang bedroom. Have mirror. Yes, I like this. Have like this in the bedroom. We bring only 2 bag. Lot of honey right here. Nice. Aircon right there. And this one, you can down this if you like. And that's have chair pala eh. Over here. Oh, you can sit the chair. You open that? This one, the table over here. Ay, that's the table. This one is the living area. Yung maganda ang salasit. Ang ganda ng chair gilling. Another sitting area over there.
Really budget for the military. You know, they're not exactly friendly to the military. What this does is now it puts president.
And we need to go outside. This is the guys. The terrace, very nice. The terrace, very nice. Over there is the rabbit. You can do coffee over here. Have to table. Wow, the terrace is so beautiful. And the gate over there. Mall over there. Lot of restaurant right there. Only walking distance. And over there, that is Ayala Mall. That. And look. Nice view. Nice view, guys. Look. Right there, nice view. That building is still doing that. Usually, I like the design. Kala ko doon lang sa kabila. Nice. Yeah. They put right there. But it's good. I think that is wallpaper. Let's go. Ayala Mall. Right here. Going to Ayala Mall. Over there, guys, that's Hi guys, we went to Walter Mart guys. It's only across the street lang guys, walking distance. Look like 3 minutes walk. And we bought this Ritz frozen bread and Coke. And of course we buy Yakult. I forgot my selfie stick. Oh my goodness. Selfie stick. Yeah. Nakalimutan ko. Philadelphia Fresh Creamy Taste. This one. Philadelphia Creamy. Nakalimutan. Bumili ako ng British coffee guys. Pero ito yung shampoo. Hindi ko dinala yung shampoo. Everything guys that is 800 o 800 look like pag 50 siya $16. And then Walter Mart announced guys video and take a picture is not allowed. And that's it guys. We here in Tagaytay now. We stay here until Friday, Monday to Friday. This is the view from balcony guys. Over there, Ayala Mall Sirin. First night namin dito guys, sa Tagaytay. Monday to Friday lang kami dito. Watching TV. Time now is 6:40. My husband take a shower. I'm done take shower. Hi guys, good evening guys. Time now is 6. My husband take a shower and me. I'm done take a shower. Thank you so much guys, and See you to another video guys. First night namin ngayon sa Tagaytay. Until Friday kami dito guys. Somebody knock. Maybe my husband. Thank you so much guys. God bless you. Thank you sa mga viewer and subscribing. Bye.